It's perfect.
What's up, YouTube? I've been on a goose chase to try and find a rear seat cover for the Corolla. You know, that was also decent and not really cheap. I'm gonna give these a shot today. These are Coverado. I'm gonna put all the links down below. They have different colors. I got the gray. I believe they have brown, black, and gray. They give you a little spudger to press in the seams. They've got some instructions, some discs that will help hold the seat cover in the crack of the seat. It's a nice color. It's sort of like a khaki gray. It's kind of hard to tell in the camera, but it's actually a little lighter in person. It doesn't have super loud logos, and it looks like they're just stitched on. So you could get a seam ripper, and you could probably just take these off really quickly. I might end up doing that. They're not super gaudy. They're just one color, and they are a canvas. The material is nice. I wanted some sort of canvas, nylon, duck canvas. Pleasantly surprised. The backing of it is like sealed. I don't know if it's not necessarily waxed, but it's, I don't know, they might like polyurethane or there's something on the back that it's smooth. But the front is your basic canvas. It's got a nice texture. It's got a nice feel. It's got a nice weight. It's not shiny, like a shiny nylon, which is nice. That's what's in the box. Let me get this in the car. Here's a better look at the color. It is not quite a gray, I would say. Like my front seat covers are more of a gray, even though these are a little like purpley because they're a little faded. But I'd say this is more of a gray. The headrest covers I have in the back, which I'll link down below. It's a thin stretch material, universal. That's more of a gray. This is it's definitely more of like a very, very light khaki gray. So honestly, I'm not disappointed. I actually like this color a lot. Very nice color, very neutral. I'm happy with it. Just laying it out, I can tell that this thing is gonna be perfect. I have been looking for weeks trying to find the right just single rear seat cover for cars. This is not bench seats, so you have to be careful. You know, you don't want to get a bench seat like pickup trucks have in their cabs. It won't necessarily come down and around because these seats are a little, more surface area than just like a little bench seat. But I just wanted to say, like, this I can tell is going to work out super well, so stay tuned. First, you roll it out, get a centered starting point, and how these attach, there were 6 zipper sliders. I ran 2 of them down to this headrest and kept 2 on this side. And so you put the headrest inside the zipper. The zipper hugs the headrest. They might come open. You could just put some zip ties, probably, if you really needed to, put one zip tie here and one on this one. Hook them together and cinch it around the headrest. But that's how it holds on the top. When I'm all situated, I'm going to use that spudger tool, and that's going to help me press into these seams there. My rear seat in this Corolla is not a folding seat. It's just one solid seat. It's not like a 60-40 where, one seat folds down in a lot of modern cars. So this won't accommodate that. This does have a Velcro flap that you can open up for if you have a cup holder flip down center console in your back seat. So it will do that. It's got Velcro here for when I run my buckles up. It's fitting super well. So like there's enough material that I can come all the way down and it's going to cover the entire seat, which is really nice. Another really important feature this has that, like a truck seat cover won't have are these cutouts for the seat belts, because the seat belts come, out of the seats themselves. So they have to drape and sit here. Whereas in like some SUVs and trucks, the seat belt is like the front seatbelt on this Corolla, where it has its own like tree, and so it can just come around you. It doesn't need a cutout. It just hangs, when it's not in use. So this is huge. All right, so if you fold up the bottom of the seat cover, you'll see that you have these loops, okay, and then on each seat you have an anchor, and so this is going to shove in between the seat and the back part of the seat, and that's going to hold your seat cover nice and tight and smooth and back. So that's a nice touch. These loops are for those little discs. So these discs have notches in them, and so you thread them onto these loops, and those you also can stick in between the back of the seat and the cushion of the seat to keep the seat cover from moving around. So it's like another set of cams, basically. I'll probably end up using both. You get a little bag of clips. These are gonna be for these loops. They're elastic, and they're gonna be the furthest down on the seat, and so you're going to use those hooks to, hook to whatever you can, whatever you have under your seat. That's the basics here. So I'm not going to show me fussing around installing it, even though it's been really easy so far. I will show you the finished product. Got it all installed. It's fitting very nicely. Very, very pleased. This, after all that searching, turned out to be the one. This is definitely the one. I give it my random guy on the internet's quality stamp of approval. It checks all the boxes for me. It's canvas. It's not loud. It doesn't have stupid zippers in the middle. Like, it's just one solid neutral color. It's perfect. Highly recommend. And for the price, I think you can't beat it. It's a super good price. This is pretty much, Carhartt material, if that puts it in perspective. Like, these are Carhartt seat covers here, and these are just as good. Like, these will last literally forever. I know my lighting's bad, but forgive me. But you can just see how nice, smoothed out it gets once you get everything situated. Here's the back. You can see it hugging around the headrest there, and the seatbelt's just draping right over it. It's perfect. Here's the other side. Nice and tucked. Nice and smooth, nice and tight. Yeah, can't say enough good things. Very pleasantly surprised. Don't feel like you're taking a chance. Just to be sure, take some measurements, the length of the seat, the width of the seat, the height of the back, etc. Get all those measurements and compare that to the listing that I'll link down below. So go check that out. And hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. It would mean a lot to me. See you later. Bye.